Hey business owners, are you worried about phishing scams? You should be. In West Houston, a surge of cyber attacks is targeting executives and finance teams with phishing emails disguised as invoice alerts. But these scams aim to install remote access software that gives cybercriminals total control of your systems. Enter Impress IT Solutions, West Houston's secret weapon against these threats. They're a leading cybersecurity and IT provider, helping local businesses stay protected with proactive threat detection and secure email defense strategies. These scams are sneaky because they use real, trusted remote access tools, says the team at Impress IT Solutions. These tools look harmless, but once installed, they act as backdoors into your business. Here's how the scam works. Cybercriminals send phishing emails that look like overdue invoice notices. These messages include links to Dropbox-hosted files that download remote monitoring and management software like Enable RMM and PDQ Connect. Once installed, the attacker can remotely access your system, read and write files, download more RMM tools, and maintain access for days or weeks. The prime targets: C-level executives, finance and HR departments, and even government and education organizations. These aren't amateur scams, warns Impress. They're run by sophisticated cybercriminal groups. Why are RMM-based scams so dangerous? Because RMM software is designed for IT admins to help users remotely, but in the wrong hands, they become powerful backdoors that are hard to detect and low cost for attackers. But don't worry, Impress Solutions has got your back. They offer email threat protection, remote access monitoring, endpoint protection, employee cybersecurity training, and incident response. With Impress, you don't just get help after an attack, you get protection that stops it from happening in the first place, says the support team. Stay one step ahead of today's smartest scams with Impress IT Solutions. Contact them today to schedule a phishing risk assessment or learn how to secure your business against remote access threats. Thanks for watching.